Hi guys, welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to be sharing tips with you for the thrift store. Thrift shopping is a great way to shop sustainably, and I'm going to tell you some tips to help you find the best pieces. I've got my list right here, so let's get started. Tip number 1, always check the men's section. Now, when you go thrift shopping, I always find that the men's section is actually the best place to look. They're great for looking for graphic tees. There's lots of options there, as well as they're great for looking for oversized shirts. I've gotten an oversized boyfriend blouse from there before, and they just have so many more options. You have to be able to kind of see the potential in anything you get. So it's usually great for oversized pieces. It's probably not going to fit you perfectly, but still there's a lot of other options, and it seems like there's a lot more clothes in the men's section versus the women's. Alright, tip number 2, never trust the sizes. I found that I'm usually a size small, but you can never trust the sizes in the thrift store. Just the other day, I got a corduroy skirt that was size 0, and I'm most definitely not size 0, but it still fits me perfectly. I'm usually a size 6. So it's always important to check sizes a little bit above and a little bit below you. For example, I'm a size small, so I'd always make sure to check the extra small section and the medium section. Especially if you're looking for something that's oversized, go ahead and check the large section and the extra large section, because every brand has their own different way of sizes. So it's important that, because there's a lot of different brands, that you check out a lot of different sizes. Tip number 3 is see potential in anything. A lot of pieces in the thrift stores are usually given away because there's some problem with them. Either there's a hole in the fabric or something's missing, it was too big. So it's important you see potential in anything you get. For example, if it's a cute t-shirt you like, but it's too big, perhaps you can crop it. If you see something that has a rip in it or something, then perhaps you can fix it if you know a little bit of sewing skills. As the saying goes, one man's trash is another man's treasure. So it's important that if you're looking at an item, you can see how you can work it into your outfit. Maybe you need to cut the sleeves, you need to cut something else, but it's important to see the potential of it so you can get even more pieces that you're gonna love later. Tip number 4, this relates to the seeing potential, and that's asking for discounts. So if you see anything that's ripped or there's any kind of problem with it, make sure when you go to the cash register, you ask problems. For example, the other day I was at Value Village and I got this great Kate Spade purse, but it was ripped and fraying all along the edge. So I asked the cashier for a discount. Of course, she said yes, and she talked to a manager and ended up getting like $5 off. So it's important that if you're gonna see potential in something because there's a rip and you know you can fix it, be sure to ask for a discount so you can get that money off, but you can still get that piece you love. Tip number 5, and that is to check out the children's section. So basically checking out all the sections in the thrift store. The children's section is great because right now baby tees are so in. So if you're looking for a baby t-shirt, there's lots of different ways. You can find maybe something from your childhood, something nostalgia, very Y2K vibes you can find in the children's section. There might be some cute things. You have to look very hard because there'll be a lot of things that won't fit you or things that'll be too modern and kiddie that you won't like. But you can look and maybe you can find some cute baby tees or something that reminds you of your childhood that still looks cute now. Tip number 6, and that is check out the nightgowns and lingerie section. So whenever you're in thrift shopping, make sure to check out the pajama section. It's a great idea if you're looking for cute nightgowns. You can actually use those as slip dresses that you can wear during the day. So there's lots of different options, maybe certain lingerie you can wear out during the day too, as lacy things are very in right now. Maybe a lacy nightgown, it would work as a slip dress during the day. So make sure that you're checking out all the sections, not just something you might actually need, but something you can see the potential in. Tip number 7. Now this is for all my university kids or anyone who's looking to buy university apparel. Thrift stores are a great place to find university apparel. I go to Laurier and I actually found my sweater and my t-shirt that I wear all the time from there. It's super easy to look in the men's section or the women's section, and especially if you're in that area, in the area where your school is, it's more likely that you'll be able to find a university apparel, which is way cheaper than the $90 sweaters that your school is going to charge. As well, if you're looking for a sweater from a different university, for example, go to that area, check out that thrift store, because it's most likely that kids are giving away, the university students are giving away stuff to that Value Village specifically. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to like and comment if you enjoyed the video, and share it with anyone who you think might like the video. And if you like this type of content, be sure to subscribe and leave a comment below for anything other kind of content you want to see, and I'll be sure to do it. Bye!